Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into the world of fuel injectors, covering the symptoms of faulty injectors, diagnostic techniques, cleaning methods, and even a bit of code example related to injector control. Fuel injectors, the heart of fuel delivery. Fuel injectors are electromagnetic valves responsible for spraying fuel into the engine's intake manifold or directly into the combustion chamber, in direct injection systems. They're crucial for proper combustion, engine performance, and fuel efficiency. A faulty injector can lead to a variety of problems, ranging from minor annoyances to significant engine damage. Symptoms of bad fuel injectors. Recognizing the signs of a fuel injector problem early can prevent more serious engine issues. Here are 9 common symptoms. 1. Rough idle asterisk. Description the engine doesn't run smoothly at idle. You might feel vibrations, hear sputtering, or the RPMs might fluctuate erratically. Cause a partially clogged or leaking injector can cause an uneven air/fuel mixture in one or more cylinders, leading to misfires and a rough idle. A stuck open injector can flood a cylinder, while a clogged injector can starve it. Explanation when one or more cylinders are not receiving the proper amount of fuel, the engine has to work harder to maintain a stable idle. This causes noticeable vibrations and uneven running. 2. Poor fuel economy description you're using more fuel than usual to travel the same distances. Your MPG, miles per gallon, decreases significantly. Cause leaking injectors can cause excessive fuel delivery, leading to a richer than optimal air/fuel mixture. Clogged injectors can cause the engine to run lean, prompting the ECU to compensate by increasing the overall fuel delivery, effectively wasting fuel. Explanation an overly rich mixture means unburned fuel is being expelled from the engine, and a lean mixture causes the engine to struggle and the ECU to compensate. Both situations decrease fuel efficiency. 3. Misfires description the engine stumbles, hesitates, or feels like it's skipping a beat. This is often accompanied by a check engine light. Cause misfires occur when one or more cylinders don't fire properly. This can be due to a lack of fuel, clogged injector, too much fuel, leaking injector, or a poor spray pattern. Explanation if a cylinder does not ignite the fuel-air mixture correctly, it creates an imbalance in the engine's power delivery. The Engine Control Unit, ECU, detects this, causing a misfire code and triggering the check engine light. 4. Hesitation during acceleration description when you press the accelerator pedal, the engine hesitates or stumbles before responding. It may feel sluggish or unresponsive. Cause a faulty injector may not be able to deliver the required amount of fuel quickly enough during acceleration. This can be due to a partially clogged injector or a failing injector driver circuit. Explanation the engine needs extra fuel when accelerating. A sluggish injector cannot provide this extra fuel, so the engine hesitates. 5. Check engine light, cell. Description the check engine light illuminates on the dashboard. Cause a faulty injector can trigger various diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, related to fuel mixture, misfires, or injector circuit problems. Common codes include P0201, P0208, injector circuit malfunction, cylinder 1 to 8, P0300, P0308, misfire detected, cylinder 1 to 8, P0171, system 2 lean, P0172, system 2 rich. Explanation The ECU continuously monitors the engine's performance. When it detects a problem with the fuel injectors or the resulting engine operation, it stores a diagnostic code and illuminates the check engine light. 6. Fuel leaks Description You might smell fuel or see visible fuel leaks around the fuel rail or injectors. Cause damaged injector seals or a cracked injector body can cause fuel leaks. Explanation The fuel system operates under pressure. A leak can be both a fire hazard and a cause of poor engine performance, because the fuel is not being delivered to the cylinder properly. 7. Fuel smell Description A strong odor of raw fuel, especially when the engine is running or shortly after it's turned off. Cause This can be caused by leaky injectors or excessive fuel delivery. Explanation A rich fuel mixture due to a leaky injector results in incomplete combustion, releasing unburned fuel. This raw fuel odor can be especially potent in the exhaust. 8. Stalling Description The engine cuts off unexpectedly, especially at idle or during low-speed driving. Cause A faulty injector that causes a lean or rich condition can lead to stalling. Explanation A sudden lean condition can cause the engine to stall because there isn't enough fuel to sustain combustion. A very rich condition can flood the engine and prevent it from running. 9. Difficulty starting Description The engine takes longer than usual to start, or it may require multiple attempts. Cause A leaky injector can flood the cylinder while the engine is off, making it difficult to start. A clogged injector can prevent enough fuel from reaching the cylinder for a successful start. Explanation Fuel injector problems can affect the air-fuel mixture, and an incorrect mixture during startup can make it harder for the engine to ignite the fuel and start running. Unusual exhaust smoke Excessive black exhaust smoke is a sign of too much fuel. 2. Diagnosing fuel injector problems. Before you start replacing parts, it's important to diagnose the problem accurately. Here's a step-by-step approach. 1. Read diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve any stored DTCs. Pay attention to codes related to fuel injectors, misfires, and fuel mixture. Record the codes for later reference. Example codes, P0201, P0301, P0171. 2. Visual inspection Carefully inspect the fuel injectors and fuel rail for any signs of fuel leaks. Look for wet spots, fuel odors, or corrosion. Check the electrical connectors for damage or corrosion. Check the wiring harness going to the injectors. Look for broken wires, frayed insulation, or loose connections. 3. Listen for injector clicking With the engine running, or with the ignition on, engine off, use a stethoscope or a long screwdriver to listen to each fuel injector. You should hear a distinct clicking sound as the injector opens and closes. A lack of clicking indicates a potential electrical or mechanical issue. Caution Be careful around moving engine parts and hot surfaces. 4. Injector resistance test Use a multimeter set to ohms, omega, to measure the resistance of each fuel injector. Consult the vehicle's service manual for the correct resistance range for your specific injectors. A reading outside of the specified range indicates a faulty injector. Procedure 1. Disconnect the electrical connector from the fuel injector. 2. Set the multimeter to measure resistance, ohms. 3. Touch the multimeter probes to the two terminals of the fuel injector. 4. Compare the reading to the manufacturer's specifications. 5. Injector voltage test asterisk. Asterisk with the ignition on, engine off, use a multimeter set to DC volts to check for voltage at the fuel injector connectors. You should see battery voltage, typically 12 volts. A lack of voltage indicates a problem with the wiring or the fuel injector driver circuit in the ECU. Asterisk procedure asterisk. 1. Disconnect the electrical connector from the fuel injector. 2. Turn the ignition to the on position, engine off. 3. Set the multimeter to measure DC voltage. 4. Touch the multimeter probes to the two terminals of the fuel injector connector. 5. You should see approximately battery voltage. 6. Fuel pressure test asterisk. Asterisk connect a fuel pressure gauge to the fuel rail test port, if available. Check the fuel pressure with the engine running and with the engine off, after the fuel pump primes. Compare the readings to the manufacturer's specifications. Low fuel pressure can affect injector performance. 7. Cylinder compression test asterisk. Asterisk perform a cylinder compression test to rule out any mechanical engine problems that could be causing misfires. Low compression can mimic the symptoms of a faulty fuel injector. 8. Injector balance test, power balance test. Asterisk this test involves disconnecting each fuel injector, one at a time, while the engine is running and observing the change in engine RPM. A significant drop in RPM when an injector is disconnected indicates that the cylinder is contributing to the engine's power output. A minimal drop in RPM indicates a problem with that cylinder, possibly the fuel injector. Asterisk caution asterisk be careful when disconnecting fuel injectors, as they can be hot. Some vehicles have a built-in power balance test function in their diagnostic software. Asterisk simplified procedure, use with caution. 1. Start the engine and let it idle. 2. One at a time, disconnect each fuel injector connector. 3. Note the engine's response, RPM drop, for each cylinder. 4. Compare the RPM drop for each cylinder. 9. Professional injector testing asterisk. Asterisk if you're still unsure, you can send your fuel injectors to a professional injector cleaning and testing service. They can perform flow testing, spray pattern analysis, and leak testing to determine if the injectors are functioning correctly. 3. Cleaning fuel injectors. Cleaning fuel injectors can often restore their performance and resolve many of the symptoms described above. There are two main approaches. 1. On-car cleaning, fuel system cleaner. Asterisk description asterisk this involves adding a fuel injector cleaner to the fuel tank. The cleaner circulates through the fuel system and helps to dissolve deposits in the injectors. Asterisk pros asterisk easy, convenient, and relatively inexpensive. Asterisk cons asterisk less effective for heavily clogged injectors. Asterisk procedure asterisk. 1. Purchase a high-quality fuel injector cleaner, follow the manufacturer's instructions. 2. Pour the cleaner into the fuel tank. 3. Fill the fuel tank with gasoline. 4. Drive the vehicle as usual, allowing the cleaner to circulate through the fuel system. Asterisk important asterisk use a cleaner specifically designed for fuel injectors. Avoid using harsh solvents that could damage the fuel system. 2. Off-car cleaning, professional cleaning. Asterisk description asterisk this involves removing the fuel injectors from the engine and cleaning them using specialized equipment. The injectors are typically placed in an ultrasonic cleaning bath and pulsed with a cleaning solution. Asterisk pros asterisk more effective for heavily clogged injectors, allows for flow testing and spray pattern analysis. Asterisk cons asterisk more time consuming and requires specialized equipment or professional service. Asterisk procedure, generally performed by professionals. 1. Remove the fuel injectors from the engine. 2. Clean the exterior of the injectors. 3. Place the injectors in an ultrasonic cleaning bath. 4. Connect the injectors to a testing machine that pulses them with a cleaning solution. 5. Perform flow testing to measure the fuel flow rate. 6. Inspect the spray pattern. 7. Replace any damaged or worn components, example O-rings. 8. Reinstall the fuel injectors in the engine. Detailed DIY off-car cleaning, advanced, proceed with caution. Disclaimer, this is for informational purposes only. Fuel systems are under pressure and flammable. Exercise extreme caution, work in a well-ventilated area, and wear appropriate safety gear, eye protection, gloves. If you're not comfortable with this procedure, consult a professional. Materials needed ****. Fuel injector cleaning kit, includes adapter hoses, cleaning solution, readily available online. *12V power source, battery charger, small 12V battery. Momentary push button switch. Safety glasses. Gloves. Carburetor cleaner or fuel injector cleaner spray. Shop rags. Optional, ultrasonic cleaner. Procedure *. 1. Safety first *. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Work in a well-ventilated area away from open flames or sparks. Have a fire extinguisher nearby. 2. Remove injectors *. Carefully remove the fuel injectors from the engine. Note their position and orientation. Take pictures if necessary. 3. Initial cleaning *. Clean the exterior of the injectors with carburetor cleaner and a shop rag. Remove any dirt or grime. 4. Prepare cleaning setup *. Connect the fuel injector cleaning kit's adapter hose to the fuel injector. Connect the other end of the adapter hose to the aerosol can of fuel injector cleaner. 5. Electrical connections Connect the positive, plus, wire from your 12V power source to one terminal of the momentary push button switch. Connect the other terminal of the push button switch to one of the fuel injector's terminals. Connect the negative, wire from your 12V power source to the other fuel injector terminal. Important ensure the polarity is correct. Incorrect polarity can damage the injector. 6. Cleaning process *. Hold the fuel injector over a container to catch the cleaning solution. Press the push button switch briefly, in short pulses, to energize the fuel injector and open the valve. While pulsing the injector, spray the fuel injector cleaner into the adapter hose. The cleaner will be forced through the injector, cleaning it. Repeat this process several times, using short bursts of cleaner. Vary the duration and frequency of the pulses. 7. Reverse flushing, optional. Some kits allow you to reverse the flow to help dislodge stubborn deposits. Follow the kit's instructions if this feature is available. 8. Ultrasonic cleaning, optional. If you have an ultrasonic cleaner, place the fuel injectors in the cleaner filled with a suitable cleaning solution, follow the ultrasonic cleaner's instructions. Run the ultrasonic cleaner for 15 to 20 minutes. 9. Final cleaning and inspection Clean the injectors again with carburetor cleaner and a shop rag. Inspect the injector tip for any remaining deposits. Replace the injector's O-rings with new ones, lubricate them with a small amount of silicone grease. 10. Reinstallation Reinstall the fuel injectors into the engine, following the reverse of the removal procedure. Important considerations for cleaning Injector type Some injectors are more sensitive than others. Consult the service manual for your vehicle or the injector manufacturer's recommendations. Cleaning solutions. Use cleaning solutions specifically designed for fuel injectors. Avoid harsh solvents that could damage the injector's internal components. O-rings. Always replace the injector's O-rings after cleaning. Old O-rings can leak and cause fuel pressure problems. Flow testing. If possible, have the injectors flow tested after cleaning to ensure they are delivering the correct amount of fuel. 4. Code example, simulating injector control, simplified. This is a simplified Python example to illustrate the concept of controlling a fuel injector using a microcontroller. It does not control a real injector. Explanation. Injector _pin represents the digital pin on the microcontroller that controls the injector's driver circuit. Injector _open _time this variable holds the duration, in milliseconds, for which the injector is pulsed open. The ECU dynamically adjusts this value based on engine conditions. Setup. This function initializes the injector _pin as an output. In a real microcontroller environment, this would involve configuring the pin using the microcontroller's specific functions, example pin mode, injector _pin, output, in Arduino. Pulse _injector, duration _ms, this function simulates pulsing the injector open. In a real system, digital write, injector _pin, high, would send a signal to the injector driver circuit, causing the injector to open. Time.sleep, duration ms/1000, would pause the program for the specified duration. Digital write, injector _pin, low, would stop the signal, causing the injector to close. Main, this function contains the main program loop, which continuously calls the pulse _injector function to simulate injector operation. Important notes. Real-world injector control. Real-world fuel injector control is much more complex. The ECU uses sensor data, example engine RPM, throttle position, mass airflow, oxygen sensor readings, to calculate the optimal injector pulse width. Injector driver circuits. Microcontrollers typically cannot directly drive fuel injectors. They require a dedicated injector driver circuit to provide the necessary voltage and current. Timing. Precise timing is critical for fuel injector control. Microcontrollers use timers and interrupts to ensure accurate injector pulsing. Closed loop control. The ECU uses feedback from the oxygen sensors to continuously adjust the fuel mixture and optimize combustion. Conclusion. Faulty fuel injectors can cause a variety of engine problems. By understanding the symptoms, using proper diagnostic techniques, and performing appropriate cleaning or replacement procedures, you can keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Remember safety first, and if you're not comfortable, consult a qualified mechanic. Good luck.